All right, so here we have another follow along workout. This one will be 30 seconds on and 30 seconds off. So you have two options for this one. You can either lunge back with the same leg and kick forward with the same leg for the 30 seconds, or you can alternate. In the video, I'm alternating. I do prefer to stick to the same leg, but whatever works for you. We are going to repeat this twice within one round. So if you do alternate sides for each set, that's totally fine. So then we will rest for 30 seconds. All right, you're gonna wanna get down onto your mat. We're gonna do a plank with toe touch. So you're gonna get into your high plank. You're gonna touch your right hand to your left toe, come back into a plank, your left hand to your right toe, back into a plank, and repeat. When you're coming back into that high plank, you wanna make sure that your hips are not sinking down. Your wrists are stacked below your shoulders, and you're really engaging your core. Try and take this movement more slowly. You're almost done. All right, time for some more rest. Get some water. All right, so next we're gonna start with some butt kicks. I like to throw in a few more simple movements throughout the workout, just because I feel like HIIT moves can be mentally challenging, the form for them. So keep your speed up for the butt kicks. This is really just to keep your heart rate up, keep things moving. Yeah. All right, and you can rest now, 30 seconds, grab some water. So our next move is more back lunges with a kick forward. Remember, do what you did for the first set. You can either kick with your right side this time, or you can do the alternating like I am doing in the video, whichever works best for you. Remember not to bang your back knee on the ground. You're gonna keep your weight in your heel of your front foot, and then you're gonna power through your kick. So really kick forward. Almost done with this round, and then you get a 30-second rest. Awesome. And remember, you can always alternate the times. If 30 seconds rest is too long for you, feel free to cut it shorter. If you want more active time, less rest, make these workouts your own. I'm just giving you the movements, and yeah. All right, you're gonna get back on the mat. We're gonna do some scissor kicks. This is a great core exercise. You can keep your arms next to your side, which will be a little bit less stable, or underneath you, and then you can use them farther out, and that will create a little bit more stability. The closer to the ground that your legs are, the more challenging it's gonna be. So if you want them a little bit easier, you can bring them a little higher up into the air. You can see I moved my arms out to the side to show you for more stability. Awesome. Good job.